Don't know why this is my strong leg, because I had surgery on my ACL on this leg. Doesn't make any sense. Why is that one bigger? What the fuck? No, they're the same size. Christina. It was already loose. Alright, let's see. I cannot get those screws out. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do about this camera being crooked either. Some things in life just are what they are. This is not even close to a thing away. Oh my goodness, let's see. There's so many screws. Okay. It's okay, we love screws. Screws are fun. It gives us something to do. But what I don't understand is why some of them come out so easy. So easy. And then some of them are just married to this van. Like, they will never come out. This one has decided that it's going to be a part of the van forever. It just strips. Now let's see, are these a different size? You ain't never gonna fit in there. No way. What do we do? Okay guys, so I guess that my camera is recording 9 minutes at a time and isn't recording. But I met a very nice friend named Martin, a sweet man that came to talk to me, and I enjoyed it. He was wonderful and told me about his life and his travels. And after he left, I started tearing out some carpet. So this is where we're at. Oh, I got the covers of the stow and go seats removed, and I tossed them into the dumpster. And I got the carpet in the back ripped out. I need a knife or scissors or something before I tear out more carpet. I think I'm gonna try to pop off plastic. What would happen if I popped off plastic? You wanna see? Let's try. I thought somebody just walked by, but they didn't. Okay. I'm just gonna yank on this. I'm legitimately scared. There's so much going on. It's just one piece. Wow, that's a lot more space. Time to keep going. Okay, there's a screw right there. Imagine if I had power tools. That would be cool. But I don't. I am blessed to have a ratchet screwdriver. I could have just a normal screwdriver. This thing to think about, which I haven't been. All right, I managed to save the power port. I got this off. There's a million more screws. I don't know why the plastic is the most important part of a minivan. The seats and the seat belts have 3 screws and the plastic has 20. But don't worry, guys. Your cups aren't going anywhere. Very expensive, high quality, band specific carpet cutting scissors. See what we can get taken out. I'm really just gonna cut out of the way. Am I? But am I though? Am I really gonna cut anything? Maybe. This out of the way. All right, let's see. Now, here, I'm going to keep this plastic right here. So I think I'm gonna, just because I don't know exactly what's happening yet, let's go ahead and cut the carpet right here. And that's where we'll end the demolition. For now, we'll take out the carpet inside here and we'll end the carpet cutting there, because I think that's where I'm going to have my flooring begin.